So in this question, we want to prove that y, okay, is the same as 90 degrees minus x. And one of the ways you have to prove is to look at the diagrams carefully and study it, and look at it. And I'm just looking at it now, I immediately see that this angle here should be equal to 2x. Okay? Now, I do know that this angle is for Q, so I do know that PQR is definitely going to be 2x, and the reason is alternate segments theorem. Okay, second theorem. So if here is 2x, and I also know that this triangle in here is an isosceles triangle represented by this slash and then this slash, so that means this angle here also is definitely going to be y. Then of course I can begin to say, because all three angles are in a triangle, so if you add them all up, they should add up to 180. So now I'm going to do y plus 2x plus y equals 180. Now again, the reason is angle sum in a triangle. Okay, good. And of course, if we add this up, y plus y is 2y plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now of course, if you look at this carefully, you can see that we have a common denominator for the expression here, which is 2. So I can divide all through by 2. That's going to give me y plus x and equals 90 degrees. And of course, from here we could easily prove that y by making y the subject. So y here definitely going to be 90 degrees minus x, and this kind of proves that y is equal to 90 minus x. Okay.